Hey guys, I just wanted to share a quick tip on how to make your product render look good on white background. So a lot of the time when we render product on white background, they get merged with the background and you can't distinguish it from the background. Even some advanced users make this mistake. So this is not a Blender tutorial, we'll do all of that in Photoshop. There will be another tutorial for lighting in Blender, but this one is just in Photoshop. So I have an example here. So this is the product. Of course you want to do some good lighting as well, because here you can see I have made the edges of the product a little bit darker, so it helps in separating the product from the background, but it's still not that visible. I wanted to make more visible from the background. You just want to go to camera raw filter here, and then there's only one setting that you're gonna change here, and this is texture. We're just going to increase the texture depending on your image. You can also increase the clarity, but it will make your image darker as well, so it depends on your image as well. I'm not gonna increase the clarity, I'm just gonna increase the texture. So, and you can see the difference here. This is the before and this is after. This is the before and this is after. So this is the technique that you want to use on all of your renders, because it makes your render really pop out more and bring your product in the focus. So this was it. Follow me for more tips like this. Thank you.